there's no shade. But Fennecs are masters of their environment. Moisture concentrates at the foot of the dunes, so the sand here is firm enough to dig a burrow. Home sweet home for a pair of Fennecs. They have shelter from the worst of the heat, but they must eventually leave the safety of their den to find food. And this enormous desert is a dangerous place for a tiny wild dog. An unwary Fennec is small enough to be caught by feral dogs and even eagle owls. But their camouflaged coats make them less conspicuous.